Design with Emma. Let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision. You got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and what I will be doing today, I will be decorating the upstairs balcony. And I got everything covered up. I did do the privacy boxes here. I added the yellow flowers to them. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take and put together our furniture. And this is usually totally all black and white. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in and add some yellows like I have in the flower boxes and in the floor. So we do have the black and white. I am gonna put black and white pillows on it, but I'm also going to go in and add that hint of yellow like I did downstairs. So I will be adding 2 different yellow cushions. So, and these are pillow covers that I purchased from Amazon. So I'm gonna use this. This is really a golden yellow. And then I'm gonna use 2 of those, and I'm gonna use 1 of these. So that's the yellow that I will be adding to this. So what I've done here, I've went in, I added a black, a white, and then I put my punch of color here in the middle, and I came back again with the black and white. I left my striped pillows against the back of my sofa. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put up this umbrella because it looks like it may rain, and then we'll go over and do the other couch. Once we do it, we'll do the coffee table. So as you can see what I've done here, I've went in, I've added the 2 yellow pillows. I kept the black and white big pillow and the big white pillow in the back. On the side, I came back in with the black and white pillows on each side. So I think that's really gonna give me just a little pop of color, and with the yellow floral arrangement, I think that'll give me that pop that I'm looking for. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and get this coffee table done, and then what we'll do, we'll come back with that reveal. And now for the reveal, I'm gonna take you in and let you take a look at it. Then I'm gonna come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, as I told you, what I wanted to do was add that pop of yellow. And what I've done, I've added the pop of yellow in each one of my flower boxes. As you come down, I showed you I had added that pop of goldish yellow here in one of my pillows. I went back with the black and white stripe and just the black and white, and then I added that punch. On my coffee table here, all I've done is added a tray that I filled with yellow and white flowers. I have the 3 candle holders that I haven't put the candles in yet. And over here, I have a large vase with a flower and the large lantern. On the other table, I have another large lantern like the one on this other side. For the couch, I've done the same. I went back in with my black and white striped pillows and I put that little punch of yellow there in the center. I have my fountain over here. I've done the same with that planter. I put the punch of yellow. And of course I have the fountain up on the door. If you all remember that beautiful swag that I made on Swagmas, I've added it to the door here on my balcony. I want to thank Friends with Super Channels, Geo, for inviting me to be a part of Friends. I also want to thank the design family because, as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. If you would, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about that punch of gold and yellow I have added to my deck this year. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.